when it's snow and you want to enjoy snow, shrines or under the snow.
Their faces, like, they zoom in a lot, and there's a lot of writings and a lot of colors and a lot of screaming, a lot of yelling. I could not deal with that. Brownies, Preheat here, and I'm just living in Japan, and it's February, but it's oddly white outside. Wow! Ow! It's really snowing, no joke. And I hide my little plants in here, keep them away. I'll take you guys with me later to a park or something to enjoy snow a little bit more, but it's quite a bit actually. I knew it's gonna snow, but I did not know it's gonna like snow enough for it to accumulate. Well, it's not Aomori for sure, but it's snow and I love snow. I just woke up. I literally just woke up. So I'm gonna have my breakfast now. Look how beautiful it is. So fluffy. Look how beautiful these flowers are under the snow. Should be fine. Tomorrow it's gonna melt. When it's snow and you want to enjoy snow, shrines is the best destination you can go to. Look at this, how beautiful it is under the snow. Look at her. She's so beautiful. I think it's gonna snow for another hour or so and then it stops. Tomorrow temperature is gonna go up and it's gonna melt. So I'm trying to enjoy it as much as I can. Look at this, so beautiful. The staircase in my house were covered, completely covered. I know how it feels when snow melts and ice stays. I don't want to take a risk to fall or my neighbor fall, so we just cleaned it up. Look how beautiful snow is in shrines. Look, it's magical. It is amazing. Oh my gosh. I feel like in Natsume Yojinsho episode. Here I am, outside taking you with you. Instead of going to a park, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be full of kids. I mean, it's snow and it have not snowed this year, so, and it's a Sunday, so kids could be there, like playing and having fun. And instead of going there and disturbing the little ones, so I came here to a shrine where nobody ever comes, unless it's an occasion. Yeah, it's kind of rare to see people come to a shrine. It's so beautiful. I would love to live next to a shrine actually. It's always so quiet, so magical. It did snow quite a bit. I think it snowed yesterday and this early morning, and it snowed for a couple of hours. It's not a lot, but it's fun. Oh my gosh, I've been editing Aomari's video right now, and this is so bring back memories. I want to go back next year. Maybe I'll go to another city next year. There's so many beautiful cities around Japan that where it snows. So yeah. Oh, birds, that's so cute. I'm just chilling by my neighborhood shrine. Look at the icicle on top of it. Scary. Well, they're not that big, but still, an icicle can be really sharp. In Aomori, I saw some icicles like flapping on top, right in the middle of the street as I was walking. It was a little bit stressful because, dude, what if this little one follow me? Oh, look at this! He has fangs. He has fangs. He has fangs. He has fangs. This is so cool. Whoa, that's tough. This guy has drool. Oh, it's snowing. It's snowing. I'm hungry and I'm cold and I want to go back, but I want to have fun. I don't have gloves because I lost it in Audi when I was there. Somehow she fell off. One of them fell off my pocket, and that's it. She's gone. And now it's almost the end of winter. I mean, I'm surrounded by snow and I say the end of winter, but yes, it is almost the end of winter, so there is no need for me to buy new gloves. These are the bad luck paper. When you read your fortune, you just check. If you have good luck, you keep it. If you have bad luck, you tie it in these ropes, so the gods can take care of the bad luck for you. Look at that. So beautiful. I can't smell anything. Oh, somebody's here. It's always so embarrassing when people around me and I talk to camera out loud. Oh, look at that. She's so pretty. Can we pull her down? Yup. That's so fun. Yup. Okay, so I'm going now for buy me something to eat. I have soup at home, but only soup, so I want something else, and I don't feel like cooking. Okay, I just don't feel like cooking. Let's go. Get some food. I'm hungry. It's almost 2 p.m. Good morning. Farafina here. I'm an expat and an artist living in Japan. I have a cold. Yeah, I woke up with a cold. I had the symptoms yesterday and today I woke up with a cold. Not fun, but hey, it doesn't matter. It's just a little cold. And it is a beautiful day today. It's a little rainy. No, it's quite rainy. It's very rainy, but still it's a beautiful, beautiful day. I don't have anything to do, so at first I need some tissue. I used all of the ones I have for the tissue that I use. Before coming to Japan, when I get sick, and I get sick often, unfortunately, and the tissue I use, it's always a little bit rough around my nose, so it gets red and it gets sensitive and sometimes actually bleeds because I like, you know. But ever since I discovered that tissue, it was just a like nowhere, like random pick, and I fell in love. I got sick quite a bit, especially the first year here in Japan. And oh my gosh, my nose is so thankful for this kind of soft tissue. So now I cannot live without it. It's almost over, so I'm gonna buy some more tissue and maybe something for my cold. I usually don't like taking medication unless I have to. Today I don't have to work. I don't have to leave my house, I can just chill. So maybe I will not buy medication, or maybe I will buy, I don't know. But it is good to have option, you know. If it gets really bad, it's good to have option. Okay, first thing first, let's go get some tissue because we have a situation here. Let's go. So Sunday, it was snowing, quite snow. And then Monday, it was very freezing cold. And Tuesday, it was so sunny. It's like spring day. And Wednesday, it's like this. So it was very cold outside. And I did not want to stay more, so I went back home as soon as possible. And I'm making a little personal-ish cultural recipe, I would say. So this is grind, I guess is the word, dates and nuts and milk. I heat it up like this, and afterward I can add to it some cinnamon. I'll show you as soon as it's ready. And this is very popular actually in so many Eastern and Arab countries.
Sorry, I have a cold. Did I say I have a cold? Yeah, poor me, I have a cold. Anyway, it's so yummy. Okay, come back to you later. See ya. Ay. So, I got through it. Yeah, it's this brand. It's the best. It's so soft and easy on your nose. I love it. So I'm gonna sit under my kutatsu and do some work that I will not be paid for until later. And I'm gonna show you my snacky snack because I'm a little hungry and I don't feel like eating my lunch yet. I have to cook, but I have not cooked anything and I don't feel like eating lunch yet. So let me show you what I made. So this is not just milk or coffee, it's dates. Like I said, it's grilled grind dates and nuts and milk and sweetener. I added some caramel syrup and heat it up on medium temperature or low temperature will be best, and added cinnamon. It's so good. And this is a brownie that I made as well. I'm trying to be as healthy as possible, and I cannot eat bread freely anymore, unfortunately, so I have to figure things out. So I made a banana brownie, banana and chocolate, and that's it. You just smash banana, you put some chocolate, melted chocolate or powdered chocolate, depends on the person, and an egg. I just put egg for the protein, that's it. I'll put the recipe, it's very popular, I'm pretty sure a lot of people do it, but I'll put the recipe down as well for this one as well. It's homemade, it's healthy, and it's both sweet because I'm craving sweets right now. So yeah, it's in my little flower. She's really, really good. Look at her. Look at her. She's so pretty. And she's enjoying her time with these little ones and the bamboo over there. So cute. Okay. I'm watching YouTube, of course. I'm watching live where I'm from, and it's really good. I love these kind of YouTubers. They're like easy going, chill, real. They're not faking it, and they're not overwhelming. There's not a lot of screaming. There's not a lot of things going on. I found a Japanese YouTuber that I was curious about, and I could not focus. It was too much. It was too much for me. They're like, their faces, like, they zoom in a lot, and there's a lot of writings and a lot of colors and a lot of screaming, a lot of yelling. I could not deal with that. And I need something slow because sometimes my life gets a little bit overwhelming, so I need something slow to chill. I cannot do both. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.